Say smile.
Cheese.
Say we're in Punta Gorda. Trying to save Labor Day. You see the boats?
Yeah.
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's so pretty.
And it's starting to rain.
And it's starting to rain again. Ah! It's so good. You want one? Aubrey.
Like this.
It's here, heavy.
Alright, I'll let go. Pull it tight.
Mom, can I have seafood?
Mm-hmm.
Mom, can I take a picture of him, Boo? He's so cute. Oh, he's so cute.
He's so cute.
Look, he goes. Look! Again! Look! There we go. But he goes! There goes! Let me go.
He's coming to get you.
Oh no! Salmon Come here, come here. Uh-oh. I got it.
You got it.
She's so
So cute.
Are they cute, Aubrey?
Look, they are cute.
You like
Was
them?
it bothering Anna? The smell?
No.
Where did she
they're
go?
not.
Aubrey.
She's up towards the front, Mom. I see her right there.
Aubrey. Are they so cute?
Yes. Oh, this is so cute.
Look at the pelican swimming. I think he has a broken wing too.
He's missing a wing. She's so pretty.
She's about 5 years old. She weighs about between 5 and 6 pounds, and she's been imprinted. That's the reason she's here. Basically, a different facility. She fell out of a nest,
Oh.
and they hand-fed her for 90 days, roughly, and it didn't hide their face, didn't hide their hand,
Oh.
and fed her and fed her and fed her. So when they released her, she went to a human because humans bring food.
Yeah.
There's no idea any other way.
Yeah. So beautiful, right?
Would you like a picture with the owl?
You want a picture, Aubrey?
Moments in on the side.
Will we scare her?
I'm not coming
Just
behind
turn.
you, all right?
Look
Her
at-
wings
look
go
at us.
backwards when she flaps.
Aubrey, look this way.
Aubrey, say cheese.
Aubrey, say cheese.
What is that owl's
cheese.
name?
Aubrey,
Is it Bella?
say cheese.
Say
Is it Bella?
Hi, Bill.
Aubrey.
Bella.
She's afraid. Okay.
Good
Aubrey,
job.
say cheese. Smile.
It's okay. I got some.
Okay.
Aubrey,
Do it quick.
Aubrey, look this way. Say cheese.
Bella.
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 There you go.
Hi.
Aubrey,
Turned away.
Aubrey.
Bella. Say cheese.
Bella.
Smile.
There you go.
Yeah, she's beautiful. Hi, Bella. Want to step on this step? Here?
Someone
Aubrey, you want to come down?
I want to calm down.
No.
I don't want to come down. Where are
I
you
want to
going?
calm down. So, how am I going?
Oh, you're coming on this side? Okay.
I'm coming on this side.
I'll hold your hand. Okay.
Hi.
We're evacuating from Dorian.
What are you doing?
Hashtag runaway Palm Beach.
Can we go that way?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hi, Aubrey.